Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock more slots for your flowers in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. After you reach level 2 in gardening hobby, you will unlock flower seed and then you will get slots for planting flowers. And after you reach level 2, you will get 12 slots for total flowers in your garden. Well, let me try to plant my flowers. Okay, I'm going to hold it, and as you can see guys, that these slots is already full. We have 12 slots after we unlock the flower seed. And to unlock more slots, basically we just need to level up our gardening hobby. And as your level goes higher, your slots will be added. So you can plant more flowers. So yeah, just keep leveling up your gardening hobby and then you will unlock more slots. And I'm still working on it guys. I'm still trying to level up my gardening hobby by planting so I can get more slots for my flowers. Okay, and that's how we can unlock more slots for our flowers in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!